Hello to all of you. Myself Meghna Sharma will be teaching maths of grade 8, chapter 13, direct and inverse proportion. Today we will do NCERT exercise 13.2 question 6 to 10. Now first we will revise what is inverse proportion. Two quantities x and y are said to be inverse. When they are said to be inverse proportion, if an increase in x causes a proportional decrease in y and vice versa, in such a manner that the product of their corresponding values remains constant. That is xy is equals to k, where k is a positive number if x and y are in inverse proportion. The formula of inverse proportion is x1 into y1 is equals to x2 into y2. Now let us see the question. A contractor estimates that three persons could rewire Jasminder house in 4 days. It means number of persons are 3 and they will finish the work in 4 days. Rewiring the house in 4 days. If he uses 4 persons instead of 3, how long should they take to complete the job? So how many days they will take to complete the job? Let us see the table. We will make a table. There are 3 persons and then 1 person will increase, 4 persons will there and days are 4. So if number of persons will increase, days will decrease. So that's why it is a question of inverse proportion. The number of persons and the number of days are in inverse proportion. So the formula is x1 into y1 is equals to x2 into y2. So here 3 multiplied by 4 is equals to 4 into x. So through that we will find the value of x. Hence 4 persons will complete the job in 3 days. Next question. A batch of bottles was packed in 25 boxes with 12 bottles in each box. It means number of bottles in each box is 12 and number of boxes are 25. If the same batch is packed using 20 bottles in each box, it means number of bottles in each box now it is increased to 20. How many boxes would be filled? So we have to find the number of boxes. Let us see. Here we will let the number of boxes be x. Here the number of bottles and the number of boxes are in inverse proportion. So x1 into y1 is equals to x2 into y2. So 12 into 25 is equals to 20 into x. Through that we will find the value of x, that is 15. Hence 15 boxes would be filled. Here we can take number of bottles in each box will be x and boxes will be y. Next, a factory requires 42 machines to produce a given number of articles in 63 days. It means there is a one factory requires how many machines? 42. And to produce a given number of articles in 63 days. So days are 63. How many machines would be required to produce the same number of articles? Now articles are same. To produce the same number of articles in 54 days. So first we have 63 days. Now days are reduced. So machines we have to increase it because days are reduced. So let the number of machines required be x. So days, first their days are 63, now it is will become 54. Days are reduced, so number of machines will increase. Here the number of machines and the number of days are inverse proportion. So we can multiply 63 into 42 is equals to 54 into x. Through that we will find the value of x. Hence 49 machines would be required. So the number of machines will be increased. Next question. A car takes 2 hours to reach a destination by traveling at the speed of 60 km per hour. So, speed in kilometer per hour is 60 and time taken will be 2 hours. How long will it take when the car travels at the speed of 80 km per hour? Now here speed will increase. If we are traveling by a car, we have to reach our destination point. If we increase the speed, so the time will take less. Let's see the solution. Let the number of hours be x. This is the question of automatically. This is the question of inverse proportion. When we increase the speed, time will decrease. So 60 multiplied by 2 is equals to 80x. So through that we will find the value of x, that is 1.5 hours. Hence the car will take 1.5 hours to reach its destination. Next question. Two persons could fit 3 windows in a house in 3 days. So here the number of persons are 2 and they will fit a windows in a house in how many days? 3. So number of persons are 2 and number of days are 3. In the first part, number of persons fell ill. One of the person fell ill. If one person is fell ill before the work started, work start होने से पहले ही one person is becoming ill, how would the job take now? When I assign a one work to 2 persons for 3 days, if one person is ill, so it will take more days. So let us see. Let the number of days be x. That is the question of again inverse proportion. Why? Because if the number of person will decrease, the days will increase, because one person cannot do a 2-person capacity work. So we will multiply it. 2 multiplied by 3 is equals to 1 into x, that is equals to 6. So how many days it will take? 6 days. In the second part, how many persons would be needed to fit the windows in 1 day? Now 1 day I have given to the person and I say how many persons you need. For the second part, let us see. Let the number of persons be x. So in the inverse proportion, 2 multiplied by 3, that is equals to 1 multiplied by x. Again, how many persons they need? 6 persons. Thank you. I hope you all will understand these questions very nicely. Thank you, all of you.